Hey everybody, Blue from Blue Outside here. I wanted to do a quick food preservation video, just to have food on hand. You know, if you grow your own garden, there's multiple ways you can store it, can it, freeze dry it, dehydrate it. You know, my top favorite ways are canning and freeze drying. So this is a little bit of what we've harvested already. We got some peppers, bell peppers, tomatoes. So what we're doing is we're chopping these up, and then like right here, we got some onions that we've got out of our garden, and tomatoes, and some more of those peppers, and we've just broiled them and we season them. This is taco seasoning. And then what we do is we run them through a blender, and then we'll put them in these little trays. You know, we don't strain it or anything, so we get all the nutrients and everything that's in there. And we'll have these trays, I'll clean them up a little bit, and we'll put these in the freezer, pop these out, and then what we can do is we'll take them from there, fit them on our freeze dryer trays, and we'll take them. Now that we're over here at the freeze dryer, it's a Harvest Right. We're in the process of freeze drying just regular tomatoes. We've just sliced them. I think there's some with Italian seasoning in there. Wipe this off. So we got some in there with Italian seasoning. I don't know if you can see the seasoning on there. So these are actually whole tomatoes. The other ones we're blending up. So these will be done. We'll bag them up, put another batch in, get it ready to go. We'll do the cubes plus some other things. Something else. We just put these in the oven at 350 for like 10 to 15 minutes just to soften them up, and then put the broiler on them. So that's why they got the little char look right here. And then it kind of toughens up the skin a little bit. Plus adds a little bit of flavor. So that's what we're doing. So, alright everybody. Just food preservation video. Store up food, be ready for anything. You never know. Just have it ready to go, because you should have, you know, I think minimum 3 weeks worth of food, maximum as much as you want, because it doesn't matter at that point, but a minimum of 3 weeks. And eventually beans and rice you'll get tired of it. So we have all this flavor, and we can drop this into chilies, soups, whatever we want to put it in. Rice, I mean, if it comes down to it, we could put it on oatmeal, you know, just mix in with oatmeal, just get a little bit of grain to it, you know, put it on spaghetti noodles, put it on meat, whatever. So alright everybody, I just wanted to share this with you. Remember, be ready, be safe, and remember, always enjoy the outside. See you guys. Thanks for watching.